how to fix Instagram login error easily and fast. So if you have any problem with the login on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then open the apps and scroll until you find the Instagram app. Click on it and then click on this option here. It's called force stop, to stop the app from running in the background of your phone. And then you have to go down, you will find the storage option right here. Or what you want to do here is very simple. Just click on clear data and click on delete. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Everything is gonna be deleted. And then click on clear cache, go back again, click on data usage and scroll down, and then make sure to enable all the options right here, from the mobile data to the roaming data. Now go back to the settings, open the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.